Get up.
No,
Why?
because I want to sit here.
Why? Get up.
I don't get up.
Get up.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Get up.
They don't bring it to me.
And also,
If I don't have my camera back, I'm contacting my embassy. This was an unwarranted assault. I'm contacting my Italian embassy. She has Iran embassy. It's not a good mix.
Please go.
We'll
What?
contact our embassies.
What? Please go.
I want my
I
camera
want to
back.
know why he grabbed his hair and all of these people.
And then he tried to hit
sides.
us with a large stick, which I can show you. The stick is inside that vehicle, actually.
He grabbed her hair
I think he's
हमारे
agreeing with us.
बाबा सी को पागल ना जो काम करो
and all of these people saw it. It's not good for
We
you.
need a translator on our side for this.
I'm going to embassy
Charlie.
directly.
Bit of a long shot.
This guy. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Okay, use it. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me.
हाँ